Hey, everybody. Hey, I'm excited. This is the third proof with Mormonism, how Joseph Smith used another heresy. You hopefully saw the other two proofs with Gnosticism as well as Arianism. Those are the first two I sent. But this is the next one I want you to pay attention to, and it's called the Sethian and Ophian movement within the 2nd century of the church. Now, these were heretics. This was a group that believed in the fall of Adam was a necessary and good thing. Wow. Now, does that sound familiar for those who were former Mormons? So Bryan's going to explain this. It's going to give you a really good idea. This is another example of heresy that I believe Joseph Smith used. Watch.
And then during the late 2nd century, we started having some small movements that were among they're called the Sethians and Ophians. Ophians means they're the people of the snake. And the Seth were the people of Seth, basically the child of Adam and Eve, right? And their basic commonality were that they were seeing that the fall was a necessary and good thing, right? That the snake was essentially an angel of God who was necessary in order to pass knowledge on to Adam and Eve, so that,
that sounds
human
like
being,
Mormonism.
And of course we have those teachings in the Book of Mormon, in 2nd Nephi, and also in the Pearl of Great Price, how in order for mankind to come to be, it was necessary that Adam and Eve disobey God. And so God essentially gave them contradictory commands, as the Mormon worldview goes.
Okay, now what was that again? What was
this? The Sethians and Ophians.
Oh, wow. Did you hear that? That's pretty amazing when you understand that. You're like, wow, yeah, because I used to be a Mormon. I remember that teaching very well.
Yeah.
And wow, that's interesting.
And that of course, never was really widely mainstream, but it's a parallel we see in early Christian history that was written against by the church fathers, right? And so through their writings, we have many writings, we come to understand what people believed, because they were operating in the apostolic order to say, I see an error, I want to correct it, I want to let others know about it so that we withstand this spread of this error.
This disease, if you will, right?
Yes.
Perfect, great, that's awesome.